In this video, I'll show you how to add code injection in Squarespace. First, sign into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to edit. Next, open Settings from the main dashboard. Then look for Advanced and select Code Injection. If you don't see this option, your Squarespace plan may not include code injection. After that, you'll see areas where you can add custom code. Use the header field for code that needs to load inside the page header, and use the footer field for code that should load near the bottom of your pages. Now, paste your custom code into the appropriate field. Only add code from a source you trust, and make sure you're using the correct code format for the service or feature you're installing. Next, click Save to apply the changes. Open your website in a new browser tab and test the feature to make sure the code is working correctly. Finally, if something doesn't work as expected, return to code injection, remove or correct the code, and save your changes again. It's a good idea to keep a backup of any custom code before making changes. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add code injection in Squarespace. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.